'49 Mercury pickup half-ton. It's got 100 horsepower, flathead V8, 239 cubic inches. Motor has been completely remanned. The full running gear, everything has been gone through. Just did an oil change and a new air filter and oil filter. Dual exhaust. This truck was a full restoration. It has 5,400 miles on it since it was restored. Spare tire there. All the tires are like brand new. Runs and drives great. Doesn't overheat, doesn't heat up at all, which is pretty surprising for one of these flathead V8s. There is that mark there. More or less just doing this video so if you're bidding online, you can get a great idea of what you're bidding on. Truck is located in Canada. Shipping, everything is available. We will deliver to the border. It is a Mercury. I know it has a Ford tailgate and a 51 Ford front grille. That's kind of something that back in the 50s guys would have done. There's the interior for you. 3-speed. There's the plate there. Heater, radio. You know, as far as the restoration goes, I'd rate it like an 8 out of 10. You know, the grill's something different. Is the original Mercury hood. You know, the grill's something that people would have done back in the 50s to upgrade their truck, or update it, I guess. Here, I'll try to get this hood open. See if I can get you down in there. See, there's the motor stamping from when it was all rebuilt. Still is a 6-volt system. Does have a distributor. We'll do a road test in this video as well. Fuel tank has been relocated. I'd like to say it's going to be very hard finding another one that is running, driving. I'd like to say 98% ready to go. I don't know what the other 2% would be, but the truck does have different gears in the rear. Not 100% sure what the ratio is. I can cruise 55, 60 miles an hour down the highway. Charging system, everything like that functions and works as it should. And I'm just gonna get us off this gravel road and do a little road test video.